All right, we've just arrived to the abandoned house. No, no. If we were bass fishing right now, we'd have plenty of bait. Our very first turtle. All right, fellas, this is a massive moment. We sold 1,000 t-shirts last month. These right here, I'm addicted to buying fish, all black. Per shirt. That's the winner!
You just showed the number.
Oh, it's not. Not yet. Imagine someone watching and this is their number. I'm gonna mix this up before I pick the winner. But every single one of you got a ticket with your shirt, per shirt. So today we picked the winner for the fully paid trip to South Florida. One of the days you'll be here, out of the 2 days, you'll see me hang out here at the farm, film a video with me, whatever the heck you want to do, fish trap, fishing, whatever it is, we do it. The other day, it's additional day here in Florida. You have fun, it's free stay, you get an extra additional guest to come with you. This won't be the last time we do it. At the end of October or beginning of November, we're gonna do this again. And if you didn't win this time,
you're gonna win next time. Potentially.
Yeah,
maybe.
You can't guarantee it.
I can't guarantee it. But I just want to say, first of all, before we even get serious here, I appreciate all of your support. It was absolutely incredible. I actually had this a month past when we sold the shirts because I thought it would take a month to sell them. They sold out in 48 hours. Thank you so much, all of you, for the support. Buying these shirts. I met a lot of you at Aquashella, and it was an amazing time. Now, this is the winner! No, it's not.
What's the number? Oh.
Mixing. Ready?
Uh-huh.
You ready? You ready? This is the winner! I'm shaking.
Add the shake effect.
Shake effect. Add the shake effect. The winning ticket number. Drum roll, please, Brenton. Drum roll, please. 62918-149.
That's my phone number.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Out of 1,000 tickets, the winning number is this right here, folks. And if it's not your number, I am so sorry. Better luck next time, and there will be a next time. And next time we're gonna pick, I think, 2 or 3 separate people to fly down. So don't worry, you can still have the chance to come see the PC farm. But this number right here is the winning number.
Which we now gotta find.
Now we have to find. We took a order number to every ticket. And right here is order number 2406, which matches with 62918-149. The name on the order is
Brian
Kelty. Brian Kelty had just bought 1 shirt. There's some people that bought 3, 4, and that is how raffles go. That is the craziest part. He bought 1 shirt for a total of $45.37 shipped to his house. So for 45 bucks, he gets a fully paid trip to the PC farm, hang out with me, and an extra day of vacation in Florida. That's crazy. Shout out to Brian Kelty. He literally took the W. Here's all the proof y'all see, everything, his address right here. He's from Lexington, KY. What is that? What's KY?
Kentucky?
Kentucky? Is that Kentucky? He's from Kentucky. We've obviously covered any private information from Brian. But Brian, holy smokes, brother. I'm gonna reach out to you on email right now and get on a FaceTime. Just made his contact, Brian winner. What's going on, Brian?
Hey, I'm Brian.
How are you, man? Crazy enough. Look at the shirt. He's wearing the shirt. Dude, you guys won. You guys won. Yes.
Yes!
Yeah, I picked the ticket number. I read off the digits to your account, and it linked to your order.
Yes!
What's your name, buddy?
Rowan?
Rowan, I'm gonna meet you here in the next week or 2. You ready?
Yes!
I'm gonna be in touch with your dad. I'm gonna get flights lined up. I'll get you a nice place right on the water here. I'm really looking forward to meeting both of you. Dude, I appreciate the support. Seriously, it's crazy. You guys are cool to be on camera too, right?
Yes!
Sweet. Dude, he said hi, Jake Quan.
What's going on, dog?
I'm so pumped. I'm excited to meet you. I will text you, Brian, and get some information that I need. And then I'll book on flights, and whatever day works for you, maybe if you want to send me your schedule, and we'll get you out here. All right, guys, congratulations. Seriously, congratulations.
Can't believe it.
It's unreal. That's awesome. Now, we're about to meet them in person here in the next week or 2, whenever he's available to get on over here. That's what it's all about right there. The next drop is coming soon, like a month or 2. We're gonna do another one with a few different winners, so stay tuned, stick along. Again, I appreciate all of you for the support and everyone for getting shirts. Excited to meet you, bro. Let's get it. Back to the video. What is going on, Crows? Welcome back to another video. Today, we are in the much sunnier, less humid Texas. Dallas, Texas to be exact. I'm at Brenton's house. We're starting the video off with his animals here. He's got this, literally like in a suburban neighborhood, he's got animals and it's the coolest thing ever. I've always thought this was amazing. Why do you start honking the second I start filming, huh? Like they were so quiet until I turned the camera on. Warning, this property is protected by highly trained geese, and they're not kidding when they say that. That's Bobby over there. We used to be, I used to have one of those named Gary. Till it flew away and never came home. He's got a bunch of pigs back here too. Look at this. I think this one's name is Oreo, which you can see why it has that name. Oreo. Hey. Hey bud. Oh, hey, okay. You guys aren't like my goats. You like to be pet? Yes? No? We all know this one. This is Steven. Hello, Steve. No, this might not even be Steven. Dude, I don't know his animal's names. Where's Brenton at? I'll have him name him. What in the heck? Dude, no. I didn't even know there could be two of you, dude. I did not even know there could be two of you. Look at this thing. Well, anyway, I thought it was just really cool that these animals are all over here. And as you can see, if you look in the back corner here, there's even more pigs. Look at these guys. The coon he has, he's literally just digging his face in the mud. Laying down, digging his face in the mud. I'm not exactly sure what he's trying to do, or if he's can't imagine him eating. I don't see any grain or anything in the mud, but this is super, super cool though. If you remember last time we went to the abandoned house has a pool in the backyard. This pool is loaded with fish, and we're gonna figure that out today when we cast net. Not only is it loaded with fish, but it's also loaded with turtles. Nope.
Oh, here, let me get that.
We just recently, for Brenton's channel, spent a night over there on a literal mattress in the pool.
Right. What time is it?
It's 5 a.m.
What time is it?
5 a.m. bro. It's 5 in the morning.
What time is it?
It's 5 in the morning. So you like literally spent the night there on a mattress. And while we were on that mattress, we saw so many fish. You can actually see one swim by our head at night.
We did stay here on TikTok, I'm not gonna lie, for about 3 hours.
So all the comments were saying, Paul, go back and go get them. And we said we would on his video. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to the abandoned house. We're not only explore the abandoned house a little bit more, but we're also going to be cast netting and trying to catch the turtles that are inside the pool. Should be an interesting video, to say the very least. First things first and foremost, before we leave, I need to find Brenton. And I'm pretty sure he's in this mini house. Oh. Nope, that's just Jaquan. Jaquan. I was like, where's Brenton at? Oh.
I thought he was with you.
As much as I love seeing you, as much as I love seeing him.
Get out.
Okay.
Get out.
Sorry, Jaquan.
I don't want to hear it.
Sorry. What are you doing over here, dude? I found you. Oh. Well, guys, Brenton, say hi, Brenton. He just woke up. He literally just
I'm good, guys. I'm good, I promise.
Oh.
It works!
Alright, well.
I'm gonna go for a quick ride.
We'll see you, brother.
Be right back, guys.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Brenton.
I'm not gonna go for a ride anymore. Welcome back.
Alright, we've just arrived to the abandoned house. We typically don't come here during the day. It's usually like dusk or nighttime that we're here. But we're gonna go into there and see what the heck we can find inside this pool.
We know there's stuff in there because we were here not very long
100%, yeah,
ago.
I explained that to them already.
Yeah, there's a lot in here.
A lot.
Yeah. Run up quick and
Oh, turtle. Yep. See him just run? Look at this pool. Look at this.
It's crazy.
It is so insane to me that this is like a thing.
There was a turtle. There was literally a turtle right there running across.
Just sitting right on the top. He was sitting on the top of the tarp there, getting his sun basking in. And there's fish in here, there's minnows in here. Realistically, me coming here, I'm just taking them, putting them in a better location, but they literally are living in here. Like, they're living in here. It's a full ecosystem in this abandoned pool at this point. Oh,
there's like 7 or 8 bluegill right there.
Dude, I think it's only right if we explore a little bit.
In there?
Yes. That was not there last night. We were just here. We were just here yesterday, and that was not there. Cranberry lime. Who the heck drinks cranberry lime? All right, after you. I'll let you die first.
Thank you, brother.
Karate Kid. Dude. Patty Royale's.
Dude.
Orange belt. Purple belt. Oh yeah, we'd whoop his ass.
Oh, dude, you literally wouldn't stand a chance.
Look at the kitchen, bro. This place needs Hector. Hector needs to come in here for like 2 months and it would look amazing. Brenton.
You know what I don't like? I don't like that mirror. That mirror's creeping me out.
Yeah, dude, hey guys. I've literally never, we haven't got this far.
Dude, this is creepy. This is creepy.
So sketch. No power? Probably hasn't been paid in a while. Why is that locked? Interesting. Is that poop? That's animal poop. That's animal poop. Something's living in here. Something comes in and out of here. All right, folks. My goodness. Those are the planes that kept us up at night.
Yeah.
Fellas, we're here at the abandoned pool. This pool has probably not had existence of a human for the last 20-something years, for all we know.
23 years.
23 years. So it's been over 2 decades. No action back here. The backyard is completely overgrown, and this pool has a lot of fish and reptiles, of course, turtles inside of it. We've been here once before. We got a lot of stuff last time, and y'all loved the video. So we're here to do it again. This time, we have a cast net, and we're gonna see what the heck we can get. Cast netting in abandoned pools is crazy.
That is wild. Did you get absolutely nothing?
Absolutely nothing. The fact that I have to grab that with my mouth.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Keep in mind, we have to stay quiet. Oh, look at all the fish. Look at all these fish. Bluegill. In an abandoned pool. Take a look at that. Wow. All right, buddies. That's crazy. I love how they hit the bucket, they dart off like they're in the pool again, and they just smack the bucket. They're like, what the? Oh, no! Oh, I got a turtle! Hey, bud, where'd the fish go? I had a fish. There it is.
Oh, it's under the leaves. There it is.
All right, fellas, we've got another bluegill, which who cares, because our very first, look at him, our very first turtle. Dude. Oh, he's peeing. Oh, nope.
Oh, here, let me get that.
Dude, that is so sick. Check that out, fellas. A turtle in an abandoned pond. We literally just caught it, and we're about to put it much better than this abandoned hot tub of a pool. I don't even know how this, I mean, it's really not that bad because it's consistent rain out here. But for the most part, there's a lot of turtles and a lot of fish in this pool. And you'd be surprised, there's like nasty worms and leeches and stuff in here too, which no one wants to live in that. Look at him, he's about to bite me. Look at him. He wants to bite me. See him? That would hurt so bad. Don't do that. You're gonna get bit. Turtle number 1. We got like a half a dozen fish already too, which is awesome news.
It is crazy though that this is an abandoned pool. Like that's wild that there's like living things in a pool.
Yeah, let's do another one. God, that was right over everything. Dude, that turtle ran right off the bank the second we walked up.
Oh, fish. Oh my gosh, you got a lot of fish. A lot of fish. A lot of fish.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Gosh, that's crazy. Ty, no cuts, no cuts. Look at this. I got a dragonfly too.
I got a dragonfly. Dude, look at that. There's just a bunch of fish in here.
Every single cast, we get fish. They're fat as heck too. Like, what are they eating in here? Look how fat they are. Oh. Straight pancake. Straight pancake. Oh, more fish, bro. That's crazy. I watched him flop. There he is. Dude, that one cast got me 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 5th one that's huge, 5. Massive bluegill. If we were bass fishing right now, we'd have plenty of bait. I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
That's absolutely insane.
We got a few dozen.
Literally over, yeah, 1.5 dozen fish and like 5 casts and a turtle. But this was absolutely incredible. Take a look at this pool one more time. I mean, if you guys want to see more content from here and us to come back and get even more, maybe with a bigger cast net and spend a little bit more time here, smash the like button. If this video gets like 35,000 likes, I'll come back and I'll do this exact same thing.
We could try and
over
drain
again.
it.
We could drain
We
the
can
pool.
drain it and get everything out. We bring a generator and a pump and we drain it. 35,000 likes.
Drain the pool. 35,000 likes. Smash the like button. Holy smokes. If we do that, I will fly back to Texas and do this. We have over a dozen baits in the bucket right now with a turtle, and I want to relocate them into a much better location. So let's go do just that. But first, we've got to escape the abandoned house. So follow me. Fellas, we're out. We made it. Oh, I got stickers all over me, dude. It is not a walk you want to do without shoes and clothes. I didn't really come prepared. Yeah, thankfully that my addicted buying fish shirt kept me nice and cozy the whole way and made me feel safe.
I didn't make you feel safe?
No, not a single bit.
Okay.
By the way, another merch job coming end of October, early November-ish time. So be ready if you missed out on the first one and you didn't get one of the 1,000 shirts. Be ready for that drop because it's gonna be a big Meemaw sauce grande, let me tell you.
Big Meemaw sauce grande.
It is indeed.
Yeah.
We've got all this stuff inside this bucket. Let's go get them to their new pond. This is a perfect spot. Let's go release these guys into a much better place than where they were.
Bro, I want to swim in this.
I do, I want to literally jump in.
Bro, it looks so peaceful. Oh my god.
Well, there all the fish go.
They're in.
They're in the pond and my shoe is soaking wet. See you later, guys. There's one more fish in the rock right here. Oh, he's gone too. All the bluegill have now been released into this beautiful little creek here. There's already
the
fish
lake is
here,
right
too.
through that end, right over there. That's the lake.
So when it overflows, it just goes right into the lake.
Yeah.
That's sweet. There's such cool spots here in Texas. Compared to Florida, it's so different. The environment, the landscape, everything's so different. But we have got our turtle here. Please do me a favor, and in the comments down below, name this said turtle. It is very, very cute. Look at his little face.
Aww.
And I can't believe we literally got this thing in an abandoned pool. So he looks like he's about ready to get the heck out of my hand and into this pond. So, oh, your nails are sharp, dude. So we're gonna let him go. And until the next life, brother, we'll see you later. Oh, this water's so much cooler too. See you, dude.
We just disappeared into the abyss.
Gone. That's how it's done right there, Brenton. Look at this natural stream. Can I just jump in? It would be nice to jump in right here.
Yeah. If I were me, I would like bounce off that rock, front flip, and like
Bounce off that rock,
Yeah,
front flip.
that's what I would.
I would, yeah, me too.
Oh, Paul. I didn't mean literally, but you literally took it literally.
I landed too.
I mean, you landed like it's like there almost wasn't even water there.
And it's a good thing I did land, because it is a foot deep. Dude, it's so beautiful in here.
That was phenomenal.
I'm not gonna lie though. I think I just crushed our turtle.
Oh god.
I'm just kidding. What a great way to end today's video.
Nice.
For those wondering, I do have more camo hats on the way in the next week or so as well. So many people have messaged me. The camo hats, they're gone already. Yeah, I only bought 25 and they were sold out in 3 hours. So more camo hats coming very, very soon. These things are epic. They look amazing. You'll be able to get one very, very soon. Love ya. Thank you so much for watching. We rescued some turtles and fish today. Probably gonna have to go back and do that again, but this time we're gonna drain it. So smash the like button. See you in the next one. Peace.